Hello everyone, I am Neha, your new English teacher. Today I am going to tell you a story about a fox and a crane. Children, listen very carefully because I am going to use finger puppets in this story. So, shall I start the story? Are you excited? Yeah. Then I am going to start the story. Long time ago, there lived a fox named Willie and a crane named Ellie. Willie and Ellie were very good friends. One day, Willie asked Ellie to come to his house for dinner. Dinner means the last meal of the day. Willie said, I am making some delicious soup today. Will you have dinner with me? Delicious means yummy, tasty. Then Ellie replied, Oh, I love soup. I will surely come. Surely means definitely. Ellie definitely wanted to go to Willie's house. So, next day, Ellie went to Willie's house for dinner. Ellie said, Oh, that soup smells so good. And Willie and Ellie sat down to have dinner. Willie said, Welcome, Ellie. Here is some nice hot soup for you. Then Willie served soup in this flat container. Now, children, do you think Ellie can have soup from this container? This container is very flat and Ellie's beak is very long. Ellie cannot have soup from this container. Ellie was feeling very hungry. Ellie was angry with her friend Willie. She thought, I must teach my friend a lesson. So Ellie said, Hey Willie, will you come home for dinner tonight? I am making some delicious soup. Now this was Ellie's turn. Ellie made some soup for Willie and served soup in this long funnel shaped container with a very small opening at the top. Now friends, do you think Willie can have soup from this? First, Willie thanked Ellie for inviting him for dinner. Then what he saw? He saw the funnel shape is such that he cannot have soup from this. Now Willie realized his mistakes. Realized means understand, aware. He understood what he did was not good. So, to rectify his mistake, he invited Ellie next day for soup again. And this time, Willie served the soup in this container. Now children, do you think Ellie can have soup from this? Yes, with long beak, Ellie can easily have soup from this container. Now Ellie thanked Willie and said, Thank you for serving me soup. That's the story, my children. And now what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is tit for tat. Jaise ko taisa. The way you are going to treat others, others are going to treat you the same way. If you will spread happiness, love, then you will receive happiness and love from others. So Be good to others and others will be good to you too. Children, there are some of the few new words which we have learnt in this story. You have to repeat it after me. There is a list, 6 new words for you. You can see. The first word is invited. I-N-V-I-T-E-D. Invited. The second one is delicious. The second one is delicious. D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S. Delicious. Third is surely. S-U-R-E-L-Y. Surely. The fourth one is served. Served. S-E-R-V-E-D. Repeat after me. S-E-R-V-E-D. Served. Fifth one is realized. R-E-A-L-I-Z-E-D. Realized. Repeat. R-E-A-L-I-Z-E-D. Realized. And the last one is mistake. M-I-S-T-A-K-E. M-I-S-T-A-K-E. Mistake. That's all, my children. Thank you.